This is an automatic foam roller powered by AI. Yes, you heard that right. But it's not as crazy as it sounds. Check this out. All I'm going to do is set it down, set my start and my stop, and sit back and relax. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. And that's why today, as a sports massage therapist, I'm going to be going over the good and the bad for the A1 roller made by RioFits. Now, a quick disclaimer, they did send me this for free in order to review, but I do promise all these thoughts and comments are my own. First off, we can see that the middle portion here is your main roller. It is just a little bigger than a traditional foam roller and smaller than the 3-footer. But with that said, you can see that we also have some gears on the side and some tracks on the very bottom, which remind me of my times over at Fort Stewart being a dismount for the Bradleys and the Tanks. Now, first off, it needs these tracks because it has 300 pounds of stall force. Meaning if you weigh 300 pounds, it will still be able to work on you and lift your body, giving you the relaxation that you need. But now looking at the side, we can see that we have basically just a giant button and a plug in order to charge it, which holds about 4 hours of charge, which is pretty good, right? Especially if you're going to be using it 10 to 20 minutes a day. Now, one thing that's great about this thing too is it also has 2 different skins, basically a soft one and a hard one, with the black one being hard and the gray one being soft, meaning it has 2 different textures of foam rolling, which is suitable for beginner and advanced individuals. Now, with that said, let's actually jump into using it. Turning it on is very quick. Press the button and hold it, and you can see that the lights actually turn on. And now all I need to do here is simply double tap it in order to get it started with some quick mode. Now, with that said, you can see that with the quick mode, we can go under areas that we may not want to, like the knees. So this is not the perfect setup, but that's where the app comes in. Now, when it actually comes to the app, it is actually very easy to use. When you open up the app, the first thing you're going to see is the main screen, where you can simply click on the device button and you'll be able to add your A1 roller. Simply click on it and you are connected, where you'll then see the battery at the very top. But here's where the fun part comes in. That is the control. So here you can actually see I got the roller here, and what we can do is simply now control it with the buttons on the right side. I'm going to pull it all the way to the top of the knees and then go back underneath it into the calves. And what's great here is we can now start marking it. So I'm going to mark this first location with the blue dots. I'm going to roll all the way to the top of the calves, mark it with the black one, and then I'm simply going to hit play, sit back, and relax as it hits the calves. Now, what else we can do here is we have it in fast mode, but we can slow it down if we need to, if it's going a little too fast, or if there's a spot that you tend to find that you really want to work on. Like, for example, right there, I'm going to hit that focus mode, and it's going to do what you're probably familiar with, which is micro movement right on that one spot for me. They have a medium speed as well, but for me, I like that fast, right? Now, in the next menu, we also have the smart solutions, and we're going to go on this from the right side to the left, starting with the fine mode. Here, you can see that we have targeted areas for the body. And when we actually click deeper into this and confirm the area, we actually have these small little patterns that we can do in order to improve different pains. Like right here, we have carpal tunnel, where it tells you where to put it. Right here, we have on the forearm, both sides. And so here you can see we're pretty much massaging out the forearm flexors and extensors using the A1 roller, which is a good solution for carpal tunnel. Now, on top of that, though, we also have normal mode. This is mainly for different situations. If you're a runner, if you are a biker, if you swim, or if you're just having a long day at work, you can plug this in, turn it on, and it will give you some simple step-by-steps, different muscles to hit for your specific sports or situation. And then finally, we have AI mode. When it comes to AI mode, you're first going to enter your height in centimeters. You're then going to go through and just kindly read the tips right here in order to make sure you're doing it right. And then from here, just simply confirm. Then you start off using the AI model with it first underneath your ankles. You hit the start button, and then it's going to do a body scan by rolling underneath your entire body, and it's going the length of your body, which is why you put in the height, in order to see what kind of pressure your different tissues will take, basically. So it's going to go through your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes, and all that in order to dictate which muscles are tighter and to create a personalized plan for you. So should you actually purchase the A1 roller? It depends. I've noticed that when you need to work on smaller muscles, especially ones in the closer to the center of the body, like the chest and the back and all that, we'll just say the rhomboids, for example, it is difficult to actually target these smaller muscles using a giant roller that only goes really one way. Now, the easier way to do this is to simply use a massage ball, a $5 lacrosse ball, up against the wall where you can easily put the pressure on the right spots with minimal effort. But using this on the floor, trying to target a smaller muscle isn't really feasible at the moment, or just isn't the easiest solution. With that said, when I want to target something like my legs, this is a game changer. All I have to do is set it and forget it, which allows me to fully relax my body, fully relax my legs, and therefore get a better release in them, as opposed to me doing the rolling back and forth myself. That is probably the hardest part of rolling, is actually holding yourself up and applying that pressure that you need. This does all that work for you, especially for those bigger muscles in the legs. And then, of course, if you're on the back, it's a hit or miss. If you have a spine that kind of protrudes out, this might hurt your back a little more. But if your spine's kind of tucked in a little bit, if your muscles are kind of overlapping them, then this will be a nice little back massage as well. So is this worth $400? Well, to me, it could be if you are someone who uses your legs a lot. If you're a runner or a cyclist or something, then this is definitely going to be a game changer, because that is your main muscle group that you have to use every day. So you have to take care of them, right? Recovery is important. And this will definitely be something you may want to look into. On the flip side of that, if you are more focused on doing targeted trigger point release techniques, this probably is not the best bet. Use a 5-inch ball, use a lacrosse ball in order to do things like that. But with that said, if you want to check it out, if you want to get one for yourself, you can use the code TRAINMASSAGE over at checkout, and you'll get 20% off. Plus, I'll even get a small little commission in order to help the channel grow at no extra charge to you. If you want to check out the A1 roller, make sure to click on the link in the description below and use code TRAINMASSAGE at checkout. Other than that, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.